Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the SIM and account because many problems are simple. Remove and reseat the SIM tray, wipe contacts gently, then reinsert. Once done, check your carrier account for suspensions or unpaid balances that block service. Next, turn on airplane mode for about 5-10 seconds and switch it off to force the phone to search for network signals. This quick sequence often restores registration. If not, move on to manual network checks in the next step. Now you dig deeper. Go to Settings, Mobile Networks, and choose Network Operators to manually select your carrier. Automatic sometimes fails. Make sure APN settings exactly match the carrier values. If unsure, reset to default and re-enter precise entries because wrong APN prevents registration and data. To isolate hardware or SIM issues, insert your SIM into another phone or try a known working SIM in your phone. If the other device connects, the problem is your handset. Otherwise, finally, make software and carrier fixes. Update your phone OS and install carrier settings or carrier bundle updates because patches often restore network stacks. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This clears corrupt configs. Make sure to contact your carrier to check MA provisioning and ask for a SIM swap if needed. If nothing helps, escalate to carrier technical support. Insist on network-side diagnostics and provisioning resets to resolve persistent mobile network not available errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.